What's going on, everyone? This morning Tyler's getting ready to do a tune-up on a Rheem furnace. Aren't you, Tyler?
Yep.
Yep. So this is an older Rheem 90 Plus. I've noticed we got some rust going in there, which looks like maybe that's leaking. So we're gonna do a tune-up on this and we'll bring you along for the ride. Anyways, what year is this model here? This is a it's 105,000 BTU. Looks like this might be an 07 flavor, 2007, maybe. I don't know. And we just noticing we got some rust, and yeah, it's leaking a little bit there. So that's your igniter.
That's the flame sensor.
Flame sensors right there. What's this?
That's the gas hook.
Right. What's this?
The draft inducer.
Right. What's this?
Pressure switch.
What's this? What is that?
Oh.
You just called it.
I know I did too.
What is that?
Pressure switch.
What's that?
Pressure switch.
Okay.
Okay.
You know which one's for what?
No idea.
This one's for your drain, and this one's for your vent.
Okay.
What's that?
That's the board.
Hey, what's that?
Capacitor.
Hey, what's behind the capacitor?
The motor. That's your blower.
Right. What's the first thing we need to do to this? Because notice the lights are on.
First.
Yeah, turn the power off. Okay, good. So Tyler's going to check the ohms on the, what's that called again, Tyler?
Igniter.
Okay, we're going to check the ohms on the igniter. Yeah, it should read, 55 to 75. It could be a little bit higher. No, no. Yes, that one. Got it on ohm setting on the Fluke 902 FC. Okay, so we're bad.
So I didn't read it wrong. 220
ohms. Yeah, it's time for a new igniter, because it should be under 100 ohms. Careful, easy, easy, easy. Oh yeah, see how weight it is? Yeah, it's definitely time. So let me go see if I have one and we'll swap it out. Carefully. And then we want to check the ohms on that new one. Okay. Alright, so we're 67. Yep, so that one is about ready to go. So let me hold on to that while you take that one off. So ladies and gentlemen, you don't want to touch that, because that's porcelain, and the oils from your fingers will make it break. And you always got to be really careful. Careful, set that down. Okay, so then we want to put that on there. Put it on there like you had it. Careful. Be very careful. Don't have butterfingers. Don't have butterfingers. It's like operation.
Like that, wasn't it?
I don't know, was it? Yep. No. No. There, I think, like, ooh, we about hit that, dude. So that goes. So you gotta pay attention when you. I think it goes like that, don't it? Careful. Oh. Put that bracket up there like it was. Here, me.
Pretty sure it was like that.
Okay, you're right. Then we just flip it around. So this is the only way Tyler's going to learn to do this is if he does this on his own. So I'm kind of coaching him. Careful, that's got to be straight. Look back here. That's not on there right. You got to make sure that bracket's straight on there, not too loose. Okay, no, make sure that bracket's straight. Okay, now I'll tighten it up. There you go. Alright, now carefully put that back up in there. And don't bump nothing. This is where it gets tricky. No. Flip it around. There you go. Careful. Easy. Okay, now put a screw in there. Put the other screw in and plug her in, and that'll be good. You can kind of visually look at that, make sure it's not touching nothing, but it should be just fine. Because if that touches any metal, it'll start sparking.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Do you know why it sparks?
Well, I'm guessing that the...
So you got 110 volts going into that, and it'll actually start arcing out. Alright, so now we're going to take did you already take this off and clean it?
Yeah.
Okay, but before you fire that up, did you check the capacitor?
Yes.
Capacitor's good?
Yeah.
What was the reading?
It was like 10.5 or something.
10.5, so what's the capacitor?
10 plus minus 6.
So it's a 10 MFD, and it was reading 10.5?
Something like that, yeah.
Okay, good.
I was wondering about this. There's another one, but I'm not fully sure what that one.
That one probably goes to the draft inducer.
You want to check that one too, then?
So pull that off, and then what does it read?
I didn't read this one.
It should say
It's a 4.
4. We should be fine. We'll go ahead and test that one. And just an FYI, you always want to take a needle nose pliers. You always want to arc them out, and you want to ground them out. So just in case they're energized. Beautiful. Okay, and set that to MFD, microfarad. Okay. Yep, use both hands if you can. What are you reading?
4.
4? Okay. So that's what it is, right? Is it 4 or 4.5?
It's 4.
Okay.
Right there.
Okay. Go ahead and put that on there. Okay, so let's fire up the combustion analyzer. Okay, so here you gotta touch all the way to the back, and you bring about halfway. So let's put this, actually we can, let's put that door back on the bottom door.
We're gonna have to put the top and the back on too.
No, we can put the bottom door on. Okay, so we want gas. I think that this is natural gas, I think.
I don't see any stickers saying LP or anything.
What's this, let's see, what's this water heater? Propane. See, it says propane right there, so. All right, Tyler just turned up the thermostat. So before I kick power or turn this on, I'm gonna let this thing fire up, let it run for a second, then I'll kick it on. There it goes. There's the big flames. Alright. So when I hit start, looking good. There's carbon monoxide's okay. Now if the O2 was 12 or higher, I'd be really concerned, but that's not bad. I'd like to see it a little bit lower. Obviously we want to be under 100 parts per million on the CO. We have 106 degrees stack temp, and we're burning 92% efficient. So see this, Tyler? So the O2's, it was at 10.5 and we're just dropping down to 10. Now if the oxygen, now it's dropped to 9.9, if that oxygen was higher, and especially if that blower kicked on, if it went up like 12, 13, 14, 15, that means there's a breach in the AQ. Yeah, that's good. And the parts per million of the carbon monoxide, we want that below 100. That's good. So this one lives another day. Alright, if you guys got any value out of this content, smash that thumbs up button and give Tyler a round of applause because Tyler did a good job tuning the service up. Right, Tyler? Okay. We'll see you in the next one.